Guys, here's the actual intercooler part number. If you guys want it, you can pause the video. Here's the one I'm installing today. So if you guys want to get the same exact one, just copy that 1201 part number. And if you get the part number from the one before, you'll be able to bolt it up just the way I did. So you'll still need that other part I put in the last video, I think, or the video before that. So just make sure you get this part number and you'll be good to go. So here it is. Intercooler is finally here, as you can see. Not the Blitz one that I ordered, the second one. So the second one I ordered is gonna go to Dre Fabs behind the camera there. So Greddy one is gonna go in the car. Super pumped, super pumped. I got this thing like randomly. Shout out to my guy who got it for me. The man, the myth, the legend. So super hyped that it's here. And there it is, the full kit. They should have instructions too. Everything. Probably not. But this is it, guys. So I'm gonna be installing the full kit onto the car. Here's the craziest pipe that I needed. This pipe's gonna go right here. Super sick. The whole piece is cast. That's sick. So it's gonna match my pipe up here because the whole thing is cast. So sick, guys. I'm super hyped on this. I'm hyped. Tomorrow, I mean, the next segment in the video is gonna be sick. So good. As you guys see in the thumbnail, we got something super awesome that came in, and that is finally we got the Greddy intercooler. After a long wait, I didn't think I was gonna see it, and finally saw it. It's here, and it's time to put it in. So first thing I'm gonna do is remove the bumper, corner lights. Right now we're just gonna get the bumper off, just so I'll be able to just tackle it in the morning. So I'm just gonna take the bumper off real quick, and then I'll be back. All right, so bumper's off. We got temp sensor off, crash bar off, foam pieces. Now lop this, lop that. The intercooler is gonna be sitting right in this area. So we're gonna do a little lop job right there, and let's see it. That much structure right there to hold the bumper up. That's gone. Now I can just file that down, file this down. Quick little paint and intercooler. Slide right up there, mounting here. And where's that? One of the holes down here. But guys, next day, we got part of the intercooler just like mocked up just to see what it is. I'm gonna have to lift it up because I gotta get under the car, get to the sway bar link bracket. Not sway bar link bracket, but actually sway bar bracket on this side. And then I gotta drill some holes underneath and cut some of the front of the frame. So I'm gonna pull it over, get it on the lift, and we're gonna get right back to it. We're just gonna get right into it. Hopefully I'll be able to get this thing installed super quick. It seems super easy. Obviously it's a bolt-on kit, so super straightforward. So I'm gonna stop saying so, and I'm just gonna get on the lift. So first thing on the instructions is to lop these two corners off. I'm guessing that's for the intercooler piping. So I'm just gonna lop those off real quick off camera, and let's get to it. Okay, so we got the intercooler mounted. There's a small spacer there. They give you this bolt. I just grabbed these bolts from the little bolt section I had. They're just M6 bolts. I think it's M6 by 125. Thread them in, and you're done. You got to cut these pieces off. I just did a little bend job too. I'm just gonna get a little brush and just paint over that on both sides. But so far, so good. We got some good gap on that side. So I'm just gonna slowly get the kit together. See if I have my tripod, but we're gonna slowly start getting this kit together. And next video, we might be driving this thing on the street. So let's keep chipping at it. side I still have to trim a little bit. So let's trim it up. Just it's a little too close for comfort for the charge plate. So might as well not half-ass it, make sure it's 100%. Plenty of room now. Alright, so we had to remove the washer tank, unfortunately, because this car had a front washer tank, and I had to remove it. I don't see how it would have fit in. So the next plane of action, you fuck, I probably could have kept it. What? Hold up. No, I don't think so. We're going to try to put it back in when the intercooler's in. I'll do that. So next we have the 90. I'm going to go get it. Here's right there. And the intercooler plate will slide right through the other side. So let's get this on. These are shitty clamps. Like, Greddy, come on. These clamps suck. Very bad. But slide this guy on. Look, all there loose. I'm going to have to trim that under panel for wheel well liner. Trim the fuck out of it. Oh, they pretty much tell you to cut all of it, but. I see. Alright, I'm just gonna listen to the directions. Cut what they want me to cut. I'll tell you one thing, you can cut these wheel liners with the, what's it called? Hold up, I'm just thinking. Okay. Scissors pretty well. So, bracket. What the hell? I get it. All right, I'm gonna cut this bolt, and then I'm gonna take this bolt out, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So we got to take a bolt out from the sway bar bracket and sandwich this intercooler pipe in. Intercooler kit's fully plumbed up. You can see the bolt right there that I'm talking about. So that mounts, there's two sway bar bolts, one there, and then the other one that you use the spacer, and then the mount to bolt it up. Super easy kit to install. So let's try to get this bumper on, and we are gonna, I don't know, we're getting close, guys. Let's, looks so good. Let's get this bumper on. See how much we got to trim. Alrighty, so bumper's on. Alright guys, so that's it. Quick little install of the Greddy intercooler kit. Super nice kit, super easy kit to install. As you can see, if you have a GE, you're still good. So, quick little install on the Greddy intercooler kit. Super hype. Next video, you guys will see me attempting to drive it and do a little shakedown, see how it is. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope it helps some people if they ever wanted to install one of these kits on their car. Like I said, these cars are getting super popular. Not a lot of videos in America on them, so hopefully this helps some people. Super easy kit. This is on a Mark II, not on the Chaser, so I don't know the difference between the Chaser, but on the Mark II, super straightforward. Couple cuts and you're done. So hope you guys like this video. Next video is definitely gonna be an exciting one of driving it, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Guys, we are on the road. We are on the road. I'm hyped. So we got this snow light, I'm guessing because the button's not connected, but so far, I mean, it's driving pretty well so far. It's not actually nearly as loud as I thought. I mean, it's pretty loud, but let me see what it is with like the windows up. So, 1 second. Shifter feels great. Trans feels really good. Windows up. Windows up, it's actually not too bad. Yeah, windows up, it's actually not that bad. But yeah, guys, we're driving it first time. Intercooler's on. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the same video. I'm not gonna do a separate video. I'm not gonna tease you guys. Sounds really good. Shifter feels really good too. I'm I'm just like kind of like checking everything out. Like I'm a little weary of everything. Like I'm checking the coolant. I'm just checking like back behind me. You know, just normal swap stuff. Smelling for any crazy weird smells. But I'm pretty hyped. Like coolant looks pretty good. Chilling right in the middle. I just put I put 5 gallons in, but I'm hyped. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. Let's get back to the shop and just make sure we are all good. Whoop. Gotta get used to it. Okay. Okay, pretty sick. Pretty fucking sick. Made for my first boost hit. I'm gonna hit one more boost hit. Oh, guys, I'm hyped. Let's get back to the shop. We're gonna close this up. I'm fucking hyped. This thing is awesome. Super hyped, guys. Super happy. Oh, so good. The car is good. JZX good. JZ good. Swap good. Swap dumb easy. So, guys, finally driving the car with the engine. Oh, I'm so hyped. Hope you guys liked the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. We're gonna get some more shit buttoned up on this. I'll see you guys. Alright guys, I know I said in the last clip that was it for this video, but I just want to show you guys a little more pulls. So we're probably up to like 4 miles total on this thing, and I want to tell you one thing, it's still so comfy and I love that. No crazy rattles or anything like that. I do have to work on the IAC. The IAC is definitely not working correctly. It's stuck open, so I literally just pinched it to keep the dial in my idle. So I pinched it until my idle was right around 700, but you guys should like second gear. Super sick, guys. Super sick. I'm fucking fired up. This car is so good. It's so good. This car is so good. That's all I can say. So, like I said, please like the video, guys. This car is fucking sick, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.